charge the weapon. All right, now I'm going to show you how to a one-handed shooting position, okay? A quick shooting, quick response. Watch your target, watch your target. Raise the weapon, one-handed combat. Commence fire, engage. Fire. Bring the weapon down, cease fire. Target. Look at your target, attention on the target. Raise the weapon, engage, commence fire. Weapon down, cease fire, cease fire. Look at your target, look at your target, concentrate on your target. Bring the weapon up to eye level. Fire, commence fire. Weapon down, cease fire. Reload all of your magazines. Reload all of your magazines. Down by your side. Look at your target, look at your target. Bring the weapon up, engage, commence fire, commence fire. Cease fire, cease fire. Weapon down by your side. Insert the magazine into the magazine well, lock it in, and charge the weapon. Magazine in, Susan, and charge the weapon. Weapon down by your side. Watch your target. Watch your target. He's coming, he's coming, he's coming. Bring your weapon up. Engage target. Commence fire. Watch your target. Watch your target. Watch your target. Raise the weapon and engage. Commence fire. Commence fire. Bend your elbow just a little bit. Commence fire. Press the magazine release. Drop the magazine out. Let it drop to the ground. Put a new magazine in. As soon as the new magazine is in, charge the weapon. Engage the target. Commence fire. Commence fire. Cease fire. Cease fire. Weapons down. Watch your target down. Watch your target. Bring the weapon up. Engage your target. Commence fire. Commence fire. Press the magazine release. Let the magazine drop to the ground. Reload with a full magazine. Charge the weapon. Commence fire. Commence fire. Engage that target. Bring the weapon down. Cease fire. Cease fire. Put the dot inside the bracket, and then the dot should be, the front side should be right on the target. And then your finger actually squeezes like you're squeezing a lemon in your hand, okay? You're squeezing like you're squeezing a lemon in your hand. Practice sight alignment, all right? Sight alignment. Bring it up. Line up the sights even. Front dot on the target. Rear dot, the indentation is lined up with the front dot. Take a deep breath. Let halfway out. Very good. Let's try it again. Bring it up. Eye level. Front dot on the target. Lined up with the rear indentation. On the target. Very good. Bring it down. Now we're going to fire. We're going to fire live. Ready? Bring the weapon up and engage. Commence fire. Commence fire. Squeeze. 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 Bring the weapon down. Cease fire, cease fire. Step back to the table. One-handed combat shooting. Ready? Bring the weapon up. Engage. Commence fire. Bring the weapon down. Cease fire, cease fire. Charge the weapon. Bring the weapon up. Engage. Commence fire. Commence fire. Bring the weapon down. Cease fire. Cease fire. Full magazine. Charge the weapon. Weapon down by your side. One-handed combat. Raise the weapon. Engage. Commence fire. 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 Weapon down by your side. Cease fire. Cease fire. Step back to the table. Reload your magazines. Okay, insert a full magazine into the magazine well. Charge the weapon. We're going to do volley shooting. Put the weapon down by your side. Susan, you're going to shoot first. Bring the weapon up, engage the target, commence fire, commence fire. Fire. Combat shooting. You're going to bring it. You're engaging an individual. It's right on you, trying to carjack you, trying to burglarize your house. He's coming at you. He's within 2 to 6 feet. He's close in. You don't have time to bring it up and aim. You don't have time to bring it up to eye level. Point your navel right at the center mass of his body. Bring your weapon up and commence fire. Okay, today I want to work on your sight alignment. It's trigger squeeze. Okay, so we're going to go slowly with one full magazine. Insert the magazine into the magazine well, lock it in, charge the weapon and load, lock and load. Okay, assume a two-handed position, and I want you to look out, watch that finger, watch that index finger. It needs to be below where the slide lock lever is. It needs to be below that line so you don't get bit. Your flesh doesn't get bit when that slide goes back. I want you to look out over the sights, put the front dot in the center of that target, then line up the indentation in the rectangle in the rear sight with the dot. Concentrate on the front dot. The back sight should disappear and you should see the front dot. Ready? Fire when ready. Slowly squeeze. Slowly squeeze. Slowly squeeze. Slowly squeeze. Slowly squeeze. Press the magazine release, take the empty magazine out, put it in your empty pocket, and reload with a full magazine. insert into the magazine well, lock, charge the weapon, and load. Lock and load. Concentrate on the front sight, line up the front sight with the rear indentation. The rear indentation should start to disappear, and all you should see is the front sight. Fire when ready. Commence fire. Press the magazine release, remove the empty magazine, put it in your empty pocket. Take out a full magazine, insert in the magazine well, lock it in, charge the weapon, and load. Look out over those sights, sight your weapon in. Look out over that front sight, line it up. Fire when ready. Commence fire. Press the magazine release, take the empty magazine out, put the empty magazine in your pocket. Put the weapon at the press pistol. Cease fire. Cease fire. Concentrate on the farther away target. Bring the weapon up. Insert a full magazine into the magazine well, lock, charge the weapon, and load. Sight it in, just as I taught you, and commence fire. Press the magazine release, remove the empty magazine, put it in your pocket, load a full magazine into the magazine well, lock it in, charge the weapon, and load. Commence fire, fire at will. Cease fire, cease fire. Press the magazine release, take the empty magazine out, put it in your pocket. Take out a full magazine, insert in the magazine well, lock it in, charge the weapon and load, lock and load, fire at will, commence fire. Cease fire, cease fire. Press the magazine release, take the empty magazine out, put it in your pocket, put the weapon at the press pistol, and walk back to the table. Put all magazines. Make sure you have full magazines, all magazines reloaded. Pick up your weapon. Keep it in a safe direction at the press pistol. Have a full magazine in your hand and approach the firing line. Okay, right there. There we go. Now this time what I want you to do is I want you to take a few steps up few more. Stop. And I want you to concentrate on firing at the target that's closest to you, because we're going to work on your trigger squeeze and sight alignment again, okay? Bring the weapon up, load with a full magazine, lock it in, charge the weapon and load, lock and load. Come up to a two-handed weaver position. Look at the front dot, put the front dot in the center of the target. Line up that dot with the opening in the rectangle in the rear sight. You should start to concentrate on the target and the front sight, and the back sight should totally disappear. Fire when ready. Commence fire. Squeeze. Squeeze. Don't jerk. Squeeze. 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 Unload the empty magazine. Just drop it to the ground. Load with a full magazine. Insert into the magazine well, lock it in, charge the weapon and load, lock and load. Two-handed position. Take a deep breath, let it out halfway. Concentrate on the front sight. Put the front sight in the center of the target and commence fire. Press the magazine release, remove the empty magazine, drop the magazine to the ground, load a full magazine. Put it in the magazine well and lock it in. Charge the weapon and load, lock and load. Two-handed position, concentrate on the front sight, Commence fire. Cease fire, press the magazine release, remove the empty magazine, drop it to the ground. Take out a full magazine, place it in the magazine well and lock it in. Charge the weapon and load, lock and load. Assume a two-handed position, concentrate on the front sight and commence fire, Remove the empty magazine, press the magazine release. Load with a full magazine, lock it in. Lock the magazine in, charge the weapon and load, lock and load. Concentrate on the front sight. Engage the target closest to you, commence fire. Press the magazine release, remove the empty magazine, drop it to the ground, place a full magazine in the magazine well and lock it in. Charge the weapon and load, lock and load. Assume the position, concentrate on the front sight, target closest to you, commence fire, Press the magazine release, remove the empty magazine, insert a full magazine into the magazine well, lock it in. Charge the weapon and load. Assume the two-handed position, concentrate on the front sight, the target nearest to you, and commence fire. Commence fire. Ceasefire, put it at the press pistol. Take your full magazine, put it in your non-shooting hand, and walk to the firing line. Okay, this time we're going to engage the target that's farther away, all right? We're going to engage the target that's farther away because we're working on sight alignment and trigger squeeze. With a full magazine, insert into the magazine well, lock it in, charge the weapon, lock and load, assume the Weaver position. That's it, get that index finger down away from that slide so you don't get bitten. There we go, there we go. Concentrate on the front sight, line the front side up with the rear sight, the indentation in the rectangle. The rear sight should start to get blurry as you line them up and you concentrate on the front sight, put it in the center of the target, and commence fire, commence fire. Ceasefire, ceasefire. Press the magazine release, remove the empty magazine, place a full magazine in the magazine well, lock it in, charge the weapon and load, lock and load. Aim, concentrate on the front sight, sight alignment, squeeze the trigger, commence fire. Squeeze, squeeze. Press the magazine release, remove the empty magazine from the magazine well, insert a full magazine, lock it in, charge the weapon and load, lock and load. Aim, commence fire. Press the magazine release, remove the empty magazine, place a full magazine in the magazine well and lock it in, charge the weapon and load. Concentrate on the front sight, concentrate on the front sight. Aim, commence fire, commence fire. Press the magazine release, drop the empty magazine out, replace it with a full magazine into the magazine well, lock it in, charge the weapon and load, lock and load. Aim, concentrate on the front sight and squeeze the trigger, commence fire, commence fire. Press the magazine release, drop the empty magazine out, reload with a full magazine, place in the magazine well and lock it in. Charge the weapon, load, lock and load, aim and commence fire. Press the magazine release, drop the empty magazine out, take a fresh magazine, place in the magazine well, lock it in, charge the weapon, aim, concentrate on the front sight, concentrate on the squeeze, take a deep breath, let it out halfway, and commence fire. Press the magazine release, drop the empty magazine out, replace it with a full magazine. You're out, okay. Put the weapon down at the press pistol, turn around and pick up your magazines and walk back to the table. Make sure we clean the magazines off. Any dirt, any debris needs to be removed. Your weapon, make sure the slides lock back to the rear, put it on the press pistol, pick up a full magazine and approach the firing line. With one full magazine, insert into the magazine well, lock it in, charge the weapon, load. Now, concentrate on your squeezing the trigger, sight alignment, look out over the sights, put the front dot in the center of the far target, line it up with the rectangle, the opening in the rectangle of the rear sight. As you concentrate on the front sight, the rear sight will turn blurry, and you'll see the front sight affixed or centered on the far target. Commence fire. Very good. You're improving. Press the magazine release, drop out the empty magazine, take a full magazine, place in the magazine well, lock it in, charge the weapon and load, aim. Aim is just as you were taught. Take a deep breath, let it out halfway, concentrate on that front sight. Commence fire, commence fire. Cease fire, cease fire. Press the magazine release, drop the empty magazine out, reload with a full magazine. Place in the magazine well, lock it in, charge the weapon, lock and load, aim, take a deep breath, let it out halfway, and commence fire. Press the magazine release, drop the empty magazine out, place a full magazine in the magazine well, lock it in, charge the weapon, load, lock and load, aim, and commence fire. Your stance is getting better, your aim is getting better, your rounds on target are getting better. Press the magazine release, drop the empty magazine out, insert a full magazine into the magazine well, lock it in, charge the weapon and load. Aim, take a deep breath, let it out halfway. Commence fire, commence fire. Cease fire, cease fire, press the magazine release, drop the empty magazine out, place a full magazine into the magazine well and lock it in. Charge the weapon, load, lock and load, commence fire, commence fire. Press the magazine release, drop the empty magazine out, place a fresh magazine in the weapon, lock it into the magazine well, lock, charge the weapon, and load. Commence fire. Commence fire. Press the magazine release, drop the empty magazine out, put the weapon at the press pistol, pick up your magazines, walk back to the table. Very good. That is one dead Realty Executive sign. Let's go back here and check on Colonel Burns' state representative sign here. Yeah, well, that's okay. I voted for him anyway. There you go. Look at all those nice holes. You're getting them a lot of them in the white, but you're getting them on target. You always have your gun where you can get to it, all right, in your car. Passenger side, he's going to be attacking you from the passenger side, okay? We'll try the driver's side after we get comfortable with the passenger side. It's a one-handed, basically over the barricade. The barricade is your non-shooting hand, all right? And as soon as if you can, you drive away. You get away from danger. If you can't get away from the danger, then you're going to have to engage him. So you're going to pick up your weapon, stand by. You're going to pick up your weapon when I say he's attacking you, and you're going to keep shooting until you stop him. You're not shooting to kill, you're not shooting to wound, you're shooting to stop him from harming you, okay? You're driving along, He's attacking your car. Engage him, engage him. Ceasefire, you're driving your car. All of a sudden, your adversary attacks you from the passenger side. Engage him, engage him. He's coming at you, Stop him. Ceasefire. You're driving along in your car, and this time a hijacker is going to try to attack you from the driver's side, He's coming, he's got a weapon. Engage him. Ceasefire. You're driving along, you're stopped at a stop sign, all of a sudden, out of the right side peripheral vision, you see an individual coming towards you. He's got a gun, engage him. Ceasefire. Now, I want you to take the weapon down again, take it apart for range cleaning. You know how to do it. You've done it 10 times. Take it apart, just put it on the table in the order you took it apart, because when you put it back together, you're just going to reverse what you did. Now I'm going to show you something. This is the barrel, or the tube, or the pipe as we call it. That's the operating spring and the operating rod. That's the slide or the upper receiver. This is the lower receiver or the pistol group. Okay? Basically the 4 basic pieces that you take the weapon down to when you want to clean after you've been firing at the range. Okay? Now I want you to put the weapon back together in reverse of how you took it down. Weapon on the table in the order that you took it apart, because then you're going to reverse the order that you put it back together. Put the weapon back together. surface needs to be scrubbed. It needs to be cleaned. Unexposed surface, we need to just put some of that lubricant and that self-cleaner down in there to break up all that buildup. There you go. You got your magazine well cleaned. Get the magazine well real good. There you go. There you go. Now what I want you to do is I want you to take your upper receiver or your slide group here, and I want you to spray it down real good with the cleaner. Okay. Now, take your brush, your nylon brush, and I want you to scrub inside there real good. Every exposed surface needs to be scrubbed. Every exposed surface needs to be rubbed with a cloth or a patch and cleaned. Scrub it in there really, really good. Very good. Right up around in there. Right up in there. There you go. Okay, let's get that all scrubbed out. All scrubbed out. Operating spring and the operating rod, okay? And the operating spring and the operating rod is real easy to do. This is this piece right here, right? I want you to pick that up and I want you to spray it down with the cleaner. Put a heavy coat of cleaner on there. And then I want you to take your red rag and I just want you to work it all in. Clean all of the gunpowder and carbon buildup off of there. Just twist it in your hands. The spring and the rod do not come apart. Now in some semi-automatic pistols they do. Some semi-automatic and automatic rifles they do. Some machine guns they do. But in the Glock, the operating rod and the operating spring do not come apart. They are one piece. Just keep that all clean. Piece we're going to do. Barrel. Okay? What I want you to do is spray the outside of that real good. Wipe it off with the cloth. Take your nylon brush and scrub it down real good. And then we're going to proceed to clean out the inside, or the lands and grooves in the inside. Is I want you to take your barrel. I want you to take your brass cleaning brush. And I want you to spray a generous amount of cleaner down inside the barrel. I want you to turn the barrel with a small portion where the bullet comes out up to you. And I want you to put that brass brush inside there, and I want you to scrub out that barrel. You just scrub, scrub, scrub. After you scrub about 10 or 12 times, put some more cleaning solution in there and scrub some more. You're finished scrubbing that, take the barrel, look up at the light, and look in there for things that might foul up your rounds coming out the end of the barrel. Remember that round's coming out anywhere from 1,000 to 1,200 feet per second, depending on the grain weight of the bullet and the cartridge charge. So it's moving pretty good, and it's leaving debris behind. You see this lands inside the barrel, the lands and grooves clean. Now what I want you to do, you got the fouling out of there, you got the excess carbon buildup, powder buildup out of there, any kind of small metal fragment buildup. I want you to take a patch, a clean patch from your bag. I want you to take this end, plastic end right here, I want you to put a patch in there. Pull it in where it's about midway in there. Then I want you to unscrew the brass cleaning part on the rod, and I want you to screw the plastic part in with the patch on it. And I want you to start running those patches down the barrel from the small part to the large part. Exactly, right like that. And I want to see you run patches through there until those patches come out almost clean. When those patches are almost clean and have basically no carbon, no darkness, no debris on them, that means the inside of that barrel, the lands and grooves in the inside of that barrel are all nice and clean. Just keep doing what you're doing. Now, you have successfully cleaned your Glock 43. Now we're ready to reassemble the Glock 43. And remember what I told you about when you disassembled it, you spread it out in the order that you disassembled it. Now you're going to put it together in the order of assembly, which is basically the reverse of disassembly. Okay? So go ahead and put your weapon back together. Back. There you go. Pull it back and cock it. Put your selector lever on safe. Remember, I put in a mechanical selector lever for you there. Put it down on the table. And now you are done cleaning the weapon. And now, when you go home to Hamburg, New York, you can call up Josh and Ashley Farrell and tell them if they want their Glock cleaned in a truly professional, proficient manner, just bring it over to Mom's house and she'll show them how to do it. Very, very good.